I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a durable gas mask in Rebirth. First, understand that a durable gas mask offers extended protection in the gas, which is vital for late-game survival. We will focus on methods that are both reliable and straightforward. Having this item can significantly improve your chances of winning, especially during the final circles. It's a game changer for navigating the toxic cloud. The easiest method involves consistently completing scavenger contracts. When you start a match, immediately look for a scavenger contract on your map. These contracts require you to open 3 special supply boxes. Upon opening the final box, there is a very high probability of receiving a durable gas mask, along with other valuable loot like cash and armor plates. This strategy is highly effective. To complete scavenger contracts efficiently, land directly on or very close to the contract start. Plan your route to the 3 supply boxes to minimize travel time. Using a vehicle can drastically speed up the process, especially if the boxes are spread out. Always be aware of enemy players who might also be targeting the contract or ambushing you at the boxes. The durable gas mask offers a substantial advantage, providing about 12 seconds more protection than a standard mask. This extra time can be crucial for outmaneuvering opponents, reviving downed teammates, or simply surviving longer in the gas. Mastering this easy method ensures you consistently have this vital item, giving you a significant edge in every Rebirth match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.